Caitlin Pyle made over $40,000 from one of the side hustles suggested in the video, and this is the part 1 of the video suggesting all the lucrative passive and extra income sources to earn from, and there's a 100% guarantee that one of them will surely make you around $1,500 to $3,500 a month. And before moving ahead, make sure to subscribe this channel and comment down which of the side hustle you think will be beneficial for most the people. There are many side hustles out there that have low startup costs or cost you nothing to own. There are so many side hustle ideas floating around, it's hard to know where to start. So we narrowed down the best side hustles from all kinds of backgrounds. Wherever you come from, whatever your skill set is, you have endless opportunities for side hustle ideas that fit your lifestyle. 1. Start a money-making blog. This is one of best side hustle to talk about because it has literally changed some people's entire lives. Most of them were able to generate over $10,000 a month, and were able to quit their jobs in less than 3 years. Can you imagine doing the same? If you start a blog, this could be you in a few short years, and you will soon enjoy the financial and personal freedoms of being your own boss. It is such an incredible dream come true to work for myself from the comfort of our home. We get to set our own hours, earn our own income, and not have to answer to the man ever again. When we started our blog, it was just another hobby that could make us money. We quickly learned that making money from blogging was a real thing. Running a blog can take time and effort, especially at the beginning to gain followers and affiliates. But if you write about your life, your passion, it can become the most lucrative side hustle of them all. You may be wondering how a blog can make you side income. Well, you monetize your blog with affiliate marketing. Affiliate links are easy to incorporate into your blog, and once they're on there, you have a passive income lined up. You can easily make $1,000 a month from affiliates alone. 2. Become an online proofreader. Are you the kind of person who always notices typos? Doesn't it frustrate you so much when people can't even be bothered to spell words correctly? If so, then you should become a proofreader. This is an easy online side hustle designed for people who like to edit or nitpick other people's writing like some of us. There are so many great ideas for online businesses, and proofreading is one of the top side hustles on our list. Most proofreading or editing jobs don't require a degree, though some require experience. But once you get your foot in the door, you have many opportunities for a profitable side job online. This is also a side hustle people pursue for long term. The money is good and you can work from home. You can do a few hours a week for passive income or even quit your day job entirely. Caitlin Pyle made over $40,000 as a proofreader. Who wouldn't want to make thousands of dollars like her each year? Not only did she make good money, but Caitlin also worked the hours that she wanted and did work around her own life. Now, she teaches you how to do the same, whether you want to proofread general stuff or legal transcripts. 3. Take paid surveys. When I was in college, I started taking online surveys to earn as much extra cash that I could. Even though I didn't end up making a lot of money taking them, I found it to be fun, and every cent matters when you're a college kid. As my family's main shopper, many of the surveys I took were geared toward the purchases I made at the grocery store. Some apps will pay you to know what you're getting, just basic market research. The best part about taking surveys for some businesses was getting free products to test out and give feedback on before they entered stores. Here are top picks for paid survey sites: Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, Opinion Outpost. Taking paid surveys is a great side hustle that you can start in your spare time, and doesn't take much time commitment. 4. Become a freelance writer. Ever wonder how big companies like the Wall Street Journal, Time, and others keep up with their articles? They have contributors who do their writing entries from all over the world. And guess what? You could become one of them by becoming a freelance writer. What's even better? You don't need prior writing experience to get started and make $20 to $30 an hour. One side hustle idea we know a lot about is freelance writing for a blog. And blogs are all over, which gives you ample chances of getting some clients. Freelance writing means you can have contracts with multiple companies as clients. More writing means more money for you. You don't have to start with major brands. Just look for job postings for writing positions. Start with small businesses looking to add on one contributor, even for local journals or newspapers. Don't be afraid to reach out and get your name out to local companies. You never know what may fall into your lap by being proactive. The secret to getting gigs is knowing what topics you should write about. Just like blogging, you need a niche. Two incredible tools I highly recommend when starting a freelance writing business are Jasper and Surfacio. These two tools will help you land more clients, write quality content faster, and ultimately make far more money. 5. Run Facebook advertising. Did you know there is a huge demand for local business owners who need help running Facebook ads? It can be hard taking care of a family business around the clock and try to join the social media gravy train. Facebook ads are essentially digital marketing, and using social media like this helps an online business get more traffic and recognition. The more they're seen online, the more customers come their way. Working for a local companies can do you a lot of good too. Owners may share their experience with other businesses in your area, and more clients will approach you since you come with recommendations. This is a side hustle you can easily do in your spare time with just a couple of hours per week. Those few hours can make you $1,000 to $2,000 per month. I hope you like the content. Please hit the red subscribe button and check out some more of our content on money making and investing.